Hi, so we are on my Twitter page, and I am on here because I am just going to show you some differences between the Twitter community and the Facebook online community. So first thing I want to point out is that here I have followers and people who I'm following. I have 108 people I'm following and 2 followers. And so I don't have friends, I have followers. And so even with that, there's an implication with how the communication is formatted here. Here it's more about seeing people and kind of, like it says, following them, being updated with people, but not so much about interpersonal conversation. And so one thing I wanted to point out is if I start typing something, here bottom here, it will show me immediately how much room I have for that, how many characters I have. And so I only have 140, which isn't very long. It's about maybe 2 lines at best. And so that isn't really so much for a conversation, very thought out post. It's not much for facilitating conversation, and it's not intended to. It's meant to be very rapid and fast and truncated language in the exchanges for Twitter. And so another thing I want to point out is also how I interact with the post. For example, if I want to interact with the post about the Cubs, I could like it, retweet it, and I could comment on it. But this is the comment button. But the comment, if I try to reply to comment on it, it's once again only 140 free characters. And so with that, that indicates that it's not meant, the posts themselves are not meant to facilitate any conversation, even on the back end with people who are following someone else. They're not meant to really have deeper interaction with people they're following, merely to only comment and give, basic feedback for it. And so those are just some of the few differences with Twitter that I wanted to point out. But even from that, you see that the interaction is very much different.